Well, she's official. Fucking rear end is on the ground. Just got the new sprockets on. Finally got my shock back. Got that all fucking thrown in there. New sprockets, new chain on it. Got my battery box kind of situated. Still need to get some foam for the inside. Snug the battery up. It's pretty mounted up. Got the reservoir mounted. Nice fucking rebuilt shock. That was my biggest goal today, was fucking get that shock in and get the fucking wires tied up. Which, that we did. Still not the prettiest, but I mean, it's up in there for now. Still waiting on the front forks. It's my last big ticket item. Well, I'm also getting a nice graphic wrap made up, but I'm sure that'll take a little while. Right now they're still pretty fucking bare, but they'll get there. The old 250R. Just do a grab bar on it from a TRX 450, along with one of those pinned seat mounts. Pretty slick little setup, not bad. I think I'll cut these tabs right off. So I got the mounts for the tail light in there already. I don't think I really need it. But I was going to go throw some decals on the fucking fenders. With the cleaner up with some brake clean and fucking clear coated. Fucking horse shit. So now I got to strip them, polish them out. Should be fucking fun. Got the parts for my Gibson arms. New Heim joints. Got some new bushings for the lowers. Still got the kingpins. And where are... and new sphericals. So, bearings are there. Just gotta fucking clean them all up, put it all together. Should be good to go. Making progress. Alright, hopefully next time I make a video on this, it's going to be fucking ready to go.